She walks to school every day. She walks to school every day. He studied French last year. He studied French last year. They play football on Sundays. They play football on Sundays. I visited my grandparents yesterday. I visited my grandparents yesterday. We go to the gym regularly. We go to the gym regularly. The cat slept on the couch. The cat slept on the couch. She writes in her journal every night. She writes in her journal every night. They watched a movie last weekend. They watched a movie last weekend. He drinks coffee every morning. He drinks coffee every morning. I cooked dinner for my family last night. I cooked dinner for my family last night. The train arrives at 8 a.m. every day. The train arrives at 8 a.m. every day. She painted a beautiful picture. She painted a beautiful picture. We read books before bedtime. We read books before bedtime. He drove to the countryside last month. He drove to the countryside last month. I brush my teeth twice a day. I brush my teeth twice a day. They built a treehouse last summer. They built a treehouse last summer. She always takes the same route to work. She always takes the same route to work. He fixed the car yesterday. He fixed the car yesterday. I usually eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I usually eat breakfast at 7 a.m. We watch the sunrise together. We watch the sunrise together. The baby sleeps peacefully at night. The baby sleeps peacefully at night. He wrote a letter to his friend. He wrote a letter to his friend. They shop at the market every Friday. They shop at the market every Friday. I met my best friend in high school. I met my best friend in high school. She wears glasses for reading. She wears glasses for reading. He broke his phone last week. He broke his phone last week. We walk the dog in the evening. We walk the dog in the evening. I traveled to Japan in 2019. I traveled to Japan in 2019. She listens to music while studying. She listens to music while studying. They celebrated their anniversary last night. They celebrated their anniversary last night. I drink water throughout the day. I drink water throughout the day. He watched the football match last night. He watched the football match last night. She usually leaves work at 6 p.m. She usually leaves work at 6 p.m. I bought a new jacket yesterday. I bought a new jacket yesterday. They attend church every Sunday. They attend church every Sunday. He cleaned the house last weekend. He cleaned the house last weekend. We visit our cousins during holidays. We visit our cousins during holidays. I lost my keys yesterday. I lost my keys yesterday. She speaks 3 languages fluently. She speaks 3 languages fluently. He found a wallet on the street. He found a wallet on the street. The kids play in the garden after school. The kids play in the garden after school. We went hiking in the mountains. The kids play in the garden after school. I bake cookies every Saturday. I bake cookies every Saturday. She swam in the lake last summer. She swam in the lake last summer. He works at a bank downtown. He works at a bank downtown. They attended a wedding last weekend. They attended a wedding last weekend. I call my mom every evening. I call my mom every evening. She visited the museum on Monday. She visited the museum on Monday. We eat dinner together as a family. We eat dinner together as a family. He joined the soccer team last year. He joined the soccer team last year.